back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lulu, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make DIY friendship bracelets. I make these literally all the time. They are so cute and you can give them to your friends or keep them for yourself. I literally make these all the time, and I asked you guys in my summer bucket list video if you would want a tutorial, and literally so many of you guys said yes, so here it is. I want to talk to you guys about a few rings I got recently from Sea Candy. They are all super cute and beachy and perfect for summer. You guys can use my code LuluFox15 for 15% off your Sea Candy order. Okay, let's get started. So the things you will need will be embroidery thread, some scissors, and yourself. Okay, now let's talk about sizes. There's a small, a medium, and a large. The small is 4 strings, the medium is 6 strings, and the large is 8 strings. Here I am picking out my colors for this bracelet. I used an orange, a yellow, and a white embroidery thread. These colors match so well together, and I'm so happy with how the bracelet turned out. So basically, for cutting the thread, I usually just eyeball it, but I've heard that the recommended length for making bracelets is about 40 inches. You want to make sure that all of your threads are the same length, or else it'll just kind of mess up your bracelet, so make sure that they are all the same length. Once you have them cut, then you're just going to do a knot. I actually did a double knot on this bracelet because I did not want it to fall apart. I do a double knot on most of my bracelets, and it actually looks pretty cute. The next thing is how you are going to hold your bracelet down. So I used to use tape, as you can see right here, but now that I have this little embroidery thread box, it just kind of like closes, and then I can just use that as like a thing to hold it there, and it actually works so well. So that's what I've been doing recently. Once you have your bracelet secured at the top, then you are going to figure out what pattern you want your bracelets to turn out in. As you can see here, I did kind of like a mini ombre by going white, yellow, yellow, white, orange, orange. I really like the way it turns out when you have 2 colors for 2 threads like connected, and then you have like a little barrier between them. I don't know if I explained that right, but I just think it turns out super cute. This is how you actually weave the bracelet. So you're going to pick up the far left string with your right hand, and then the string next to that with your left. And then you kind of cross them over and make a 4, and then you use your right hand to pull that through the 4 and pull it through and make a little tiny knot. Don't be sad if you don't get it right on your first try. It literally took me like 17 tries just to get like my first knot, but now it's like totally easy. I totally have the hang of it, and you will too. I believe in you. After just like 3 knots, you will get totally used to it, and it'll just flow so easily. So here's a little fast motion of me making this bracelet. Now, obviously, this is way too short to be a full bracelet. I would recommend having it like be able to wrap around your entire wrist, but I want to show you guys how to fasten it and close off the bracelet. So basically, I just tie a knot, and if you did a double knot on the top, then make sure you do a double knot on the bottom, because I don't know, I just think it looks cuter, but you also want to make sure that they are secured at like the same amount. I think this one turned out super cute, and I love how all of your bracelets look when you like stack them up. There you go, that's how you make DIY friendship bracelets. Hi! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe down below and follow me on all my social medias. They will be linked down below. Keep smiling, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!